Today, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma prototype. This is incredibly useful when you want to showcase your design work to clients, teammates, or stakeholders, allowing them to interact with your design exactly as you intended without needing a Figma account themselves. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's start by opening your Figma application. Once you've got Figma up and running, you'll need to navigate to the file that contains the prototype you want to share. This could be any design project where you've already set up interactive flows and transitions between frames. Take a moment to ensure you're in the correct file, as you'll want to make sure you're sharing the right version of your work. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a play button icon. This is your gateway to preview mode. Go ahead and click on that play button. This action launches your prototype in presentation mode, allowing you to see exactly what your viewers will experience when they interact with your design. It's always a good idea to quickly test your prototype at this stage to make sure all your interactions and animations are working as expected. Once you're viewing your prototype in presentation mode, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Share Prototype. Click on this button to access the sharing options. This is where Figma gives you control over how you want to distribute your prototype to others. A sharing dialog will appear with various options. The simplest and most straightforward method is to click on Copy Link. This action copies a unique URL to your clipboard that you can then send to anyone you want to share your prototype with. You can paste this link into emails, messaging apps, project management tools, or anywhere else you need to distribute it. The recipients will be able to view and interact with your prototype directly in their browser without needing to sign into Figma or download any software. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Figma prototype. Your collaborators or clients can now experience your design work interactively, making feedback and approval processes much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.